In this video, we'll talk about how to create an account on Google Analytics. So this is a platform from Google, name is Google Analytics, and we use this platform for analyzing our, let's say, website and our paid marketing as well. So you have to go in Google and you have to search over here, Google Analytics. Okay, you got our website over here. Click on the analytics.google.com. Okay. So once you get an account on this, then maybe in further lectures we'll understand how to connect our tag manager to Google Analytics. Okay, so even that is very important, and we'll be focusing on that part as well. Now over here you have to go for setup for free. Okay. Now very first thing you have to give your account name over here, same like a Google Tag Manager. So I'll put account name over here. For example, let's say Sociologics PVT Ltd. Okay. So this is the name I have given. This is my account name. Then you can scroll down, go for next. Now they're going to ask you what do you want to measure. You want to measure web, apps, what exactly you want to measure. I'll go with the web and go for next. I have to put the website name over here. So I'll just put the name over here. Let's say Sociologics. And over here you have to give the URL. Okay. So I'll give the URL over here. Sociologics.in. Okay. I have to choose the industry. So it's into, for example, let's say it's into jobs and education. Okay. Time zone you have to choose. Make sure you use the right time zone because you'll be getting the reports in the same time zone. Okay. And go for create. When you click on create, again choose the country over here and accept the terms and conditions for the following same country. Accept and I accept. So once you accept all the terms and conditions, so account will be created. You can go for anti-call save, anti-can save, no thanks, and your account has been created on Google Analytics. So this is how we create an account on Google Analytics, and we'll be using the same account for learning Google Analytics as well as how to connect different platforms to Analytics, so that we get to see all the data over here and we can analyze all the data over here. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you have clear idea to create Google Analytics account. From the same mail ID, I can create multiple accounts. You can make a note of this. One mail ID, I can create multiple accounts. So I hope the concept is clear.